Hey, what's up? I'm Styler. In this video I will unbox and show you the Asus Transformer Book T100 that I got directly from Asus. So this is a 10.1 inch Windows 8.1 tablet that can transform into a laptop. So let's have a look here on the box. We see here Asus Transformer Book, we see the logo. We also see here how nice the design is, and let's see what we else have here. We have some specifications, we see Intel inside. Let's have a look here on the back. So here we have nothing, just the logo. So here we see some specifications about the tablet, and we see the model number T100 TIF. Okay, let me just see if I can open up. So here we have the tablet, and let's put this aside. Let's see what we else have here. Quick start guide for the docking station, it seems. Yeah. Also we see here Office 365 personal activation card. We have some more user manual. So here we have the wall charger from Asus, and we see here this one is pretty big actually. We also have here the micro USB cable, USB, so you can charge the tablet. So that's it for the unboxing, nothing more. Let's have a look here on the tablet, and let me remove this. So first of all, you see here the logo here from Asus, and we see here some C logos, FCC, and you notice that it has this finish, glossy finish, very nice. And let's see here on this side, on the back. Flip this open, and it seems that we have some kind of protection around the edge here that I have to remove. So here you see the tablet, and right now it's detached from the keyboard. You can attach this one by clicking it on like this. So now it looks like a laptop, very nice. And you just click on this button here to detach, and let's have a look here. So what we see here, I think these are some kind of speakers on the back side. Actually here we have two speakers, and we see here the Asus logo. On this side we see here the holes to the dock. On this side we find the power button together with the volume rocker. So here we have just, I think this is a microphone maybe. On this side here we find the micro SD card slot. We have here the mini HDMI port and the micro USB port together with the power plug. So that's it. Let's have a look here on the keyboard. We see here Intel inside, HDMI. We see here the touchpad, and this one also supports gestures. Also notice this very fine texture on the top of the keyboard here. We have here the keys, and they are pretty solid. Very nice. And here in the top we find the mechanism so you can dock the tablet. You see here. And the button to release. And here we also see the 3.0 USB port. So overall it looks to be a really nice small tablet that you can transform into a small laptop, and this is very convenient and nice to have. So inside this tablet we find the Intel Atom C3735G quad-core with 1.8 GHz processor. It has 1 GB of DDR3 RAM, 32 GB MMC ROM, a micro SD card reader, micro HDMI and USB 3.0. For all the specifications, please check the video description, and let's now try to turn it on. So first of all, here we see the logo. So that's it for now. Remember also to check out my blog. You'll find the link in the video description. If you have any questions, please comment below. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Thanks for watching. See ya.